Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos and I'm in Rome, Italy. And did you know that there are flies all over the place? It's all the trash. Anyway, there's a pyramid in Rome. Let me show you it. And so it's next to this little mini castle here, and then there's a pyramid right in Rome. And it's amazing. But there's a puddle here, so I'm gonna try to do that thing for you one more time because this is dark. And so I might be able to see the screen. So I'm going to turn the camera over. And there you can see the... You see it? That's how I do the tricks. Pretty amazing. Okay, so we're moving on. Let's go look at this castle a bit, and the pyramid. Right next to it is a cemetery, and it's one of the oldest. But there's some famous people there and a couple famous writers, and I don't know who all they are, but famous people. And this is part of the walled city. So you can see the wall way over there, and there's a gap right here, and then there's the castle or a parapet or whatever. But the wall goes all the way up and around too, all the way to the river. But we're here to look at the pyramid. How amazing is that? You know, most people, you tell them there's a pyramid in in Rome and they all go, yeah, right, whatever. But there literally is. And there's like a million cats too here. So it's like a cat sanctuary. And this is combined with the graveyard. So the graveyard is on the other side of the wall. And this is the pyramid. And it's pretty neat. It's something to see, and it certainly falls in the top 100. Well, okay, top 300. But I love the castle too. It's amazing, and it's right next to that place over there. That's the metro stop, and the stop is actually called Pyramid. So, and it's shaped and looks just like the pyramid. And it's pretty amazing. All of it's amazing. You know, everywhere you go, there's something new and different and something to see. So it's pretty crazy. Isn't that amazing? And so this used to join right here. You can see how thick the wall is. Isn't that crazy? Over to here, which was part of the fortress. And then the pyramid. So it's not fake. It's got four sides, just like all pyramids. And it's got columns in here, and there's some writings on this gate up here. I'll go up and see. Last time I was here, they were pretty blurry because they've been scratched and such. But let's go look. It says opening hours. Piramide di Caio. Somebody told me that they had to stop watching my videos because I screwed everything up so bad. That's funny, I thought. Anyway, and this is what it looks like inside. And you can see the pyramid still. And you can see the graveyard right over there. So it's pretty neat. This is the one that's so bad you can't read. You know? Graffiti is not a problem. You can't even see the sign. You wouldn't even know there's a sign in here. Could you even make out monument to fun? You know, of this kind, 1145, Pyramid of Cestius, 1145, photographed in 1953. You can't even. Well, I'll pull it out of Wikipedia and post it with my stuff. And what does this say? This says, I can't even read that either. But anyway, well, the little mini castle or fortification on the wall and the wonderful pyramid are all right next door to each other. And now you know. And you see those metal things? We've talked about these before. Those hold it together. So there's a metal thing on this side that holds those two bricks and goes all the way through the pyramid. And there's some on the other side looking just like it. And it just keeps it from going anywhere. Because it looks like, the weight looks like it's kind of separating up there a little bit. But, you know, you'd hate to have this thing fall apart, wouldn't you? Very cool though. Oh my God. Did you see that guy? He just went sideways around that corner. I think he better slow it down, mister. Okay, that's it for me. Bye, everybody.